Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over an update with you guys on EFTR, as EFTR had an amazing breakout today, up over 200% on the day. We did alert this one in the Instables room, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how this one broke out today, what exactly gave us that confirmation on this momentum, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss any of them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over EFTR fairly quick with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this one has been playing out. But before we get started, I want to mention that we did alert this one at about $13.70, jumping all the way up to around $40 on the day, as you guys can see here. And again, we did mention that, as you guys can see, we did have our previous breakout yesterday at about $19. And then we did come up, we did test that 20 moving average, and we bounced right off of it, having that halt at about $13.70, jumping all the way up throughout the day on this 20 moving average, continuing on up. And as you guys can see, we had, again, that sell pressure going into the end of the day yesterday, and then we had that increase in buy pressure with the EMA lines crossing above the MACD, giving us that momentum and continuation possibility. And sure enough, that's exactly what did happen. This one continued on up throughout the day, gave us that confirmation at the end of the day on that major spike. As you guys can see, we did gradually come up throughout the day, but as you guys can see, at this consolidation, we had that major spike as well, having that confirmation because we had that increase in buy pressure right above these previous buy pressure points and also above our previous buy pressure point that we had yesterday on that spike. So again, EFTR did have many confirmations on those breakouts. To set those alerts, you come over to the plus sign here, you click add alert, and you could be setting your alert right above these previous buy pressure points. So that way, if it does break above them, then you could get confirmation on momentum in these stocks. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'd be doing. So again, this is not only for EFTR. This is for every stock that you ever play into, in my opinion. You could be setting these alerts right above your previous buy pressure points. So that way you guys can get momentum into these breakouts. And again, not financial advice, but as you guys can see here on the 5-minute, we do have that, again, that increase in volume that we had throughout the day. But as you guys can see, we have that large increase in sale volume here, which gave us that confirmation on that momentum to the downside at this point in time, as we were consolidating here on the 20 moving average. Again, after we were up about 200%, then of course we were going to probably sell off from there. And as you guys can see, we have that increase in sell pressure showing us that we have a lot of momentum to the downside at this point. So again, not exactly expecting for EFTR to necessarily break out going through tomorrow, but we could be watching this one for a possible bounce play at about $18.20 that we did previously have our major breakout from, and also our rejection to the upside. And again, this is not a recommendation for you to go do, but however, this is exactly how these stocks play out. So, and as you guys can see, we are continuing to sell off at this point in time. So again, not exactly expecting for us to turn around at this point in time, as we have been on quite the run today. But however, I did want to mention this so you guys can see exactly what gives us that confirmation on the MACD, and also what gives us that confirmation to the downside here. As you guys can see, we broke down below the 20 moving average. The 20 moving average also curled down here, showing us that decrease in momentum, and sure enough, continuing on down from then. So again, EFTR, an amazing run throughout the day. So if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.